What's up, everybody? A little disappointed with how I traded today, but nonetheless, still a good learning lesson and good trading day. So I think we're back, to be honest, from the last 2 weeks of price action have been really bad. I think we're kind of fixing that up right now. So I'll go ahead here and explain why. So bias was bullish today. A couple of reasons. Number one, um, 4 hour was bullish. We were just coming. I think market open, we were like right here. We ended up coming down all the way, to here. But I'll explain why I kind of missed out on this opportunity. The daily was obviously really, really bullish out of this fair value gap. And again, the 4 hour was also bullish off this fair value gap. So I was bullish. What actually was good today, I was looking for like London session lows to kind of get swept out. Which were these right here, and they were in this fair value gap. So I thought we were going to come back down and sweep and go back up, but I actually failed to recognize this fair value gap right here. Actually, like big time, failed to recognize this on the 1 hour because we went like perfectly right into this, and I was being stubborn today. I was looking for a sweep on the London session lows because I wanted to do TJRs, not new strategy, but like quick entry strategy or aggressive entry strategy. I wanted to do that on London session lows because I knew for a fact we were bullish. Because we had two draws of liquidity. What were they? We had London session highs, as well as not relative equal highs. What do they call this? Oh, low resistance liquidity right here. Bam, two types of liquidity. Low resistance right here, as well as highs. Okay, so I was looking for those to get rambunched. Now, so I was looking for us to come all the way down into here. But again, I failed to recognize the fair value gaps. If you go to the 1 hour, I guess there's just a lot of stuff to see, but there's this one. What I should have been doing is looking like, oh, did we get stopped? Did we come out of that? No, we went through it. Okay, what's next? This one. Can we get copy this one? Now, if we went past this one, then I'd be like, okay, I'm looking for London session lows. And it's happened this fat gap again, but we didn't even do that. So I really should have been just looking for these entries here. Not sure how I did on here. Oh, fuck, of course. Damn it, I have this one marked out too. Damn it. Same thing here. I should have had these marked out and be like, okay, I know we're coming down to go more up, looking for like a retracement here. Are we going to go to London session lows? Those are all the way down here. So let's go, order of operations. First, let's go here. Did not get stopped here. Then this one, we did get stopped here, and we did not go more down here. And that's where we're like, okay, we went through that. Already go to London session lows, and that's how we look at here. We're like, okay, no, we went right in the middle of this gap. We're going up. We took the trade on NASDAQ. I actually saw the entry. Is this entry right here? It was an inverse fair value gap on top of a fair value gap. So it was this, and with fair value gap on the 5-minute. I was looking for my 5-minute confluence and then my 1-minute confirmation confluence, right? So we had a 5-minute confluence right here. Then we had, it was kind of like a 1-minute. No, it was just this for value gap, I think. They were kind of like on top of each other. So that's what I was looking for. Came right into the, I was going to take the trade. However, do you know what I saw? I saw this. I saw that fair value gap, and I also saw this fair value gap. Mainly this one. Oh, shit, it was this. No, sorry guys, bad entry. It's this right here. This is where we're taking the trade on. I saw this inverse fair value gap, and I also saw this fair value gap. I wanted to come right into it. Now, we didn't. The problem was we kind of came into this before we closed above it. We kind of closed above it on this candle, but again, if we hit it, bam, enter, close with the candle, 2 confluences. All right, that's That's two confluences right there where we should have been in. On the 5 minute confluences, then bam, all we needed to do was, I could have waited for a break of structure right here. Wait for a break of structure right there. Enter, bam, one in session highs, we were, which we're probably gonna take on the S&P, or we could at least longed it to, like, I don't know, some low resistance liquidity, because there's a lot of it. There's a lot of this low resistance liquidity around here. Super obvious today. Not sure how I messed it up. I saw the fair value gap and I'm like, yeah. I think I was like, what got in my head was like, we were gonna come out of this, we're gonna hit this fair value gap. From here, we're gonna come. So here we came down into this, came up, and we're gonna go down, sweep the lows, then go up. That's what I thought was gonna happen. So that's why I didn't enter in, but missed a great trade opportunity today. I guess I bet TJR is gonna flex that crap on everybody, but we tried and we saw what happened. We saw what we should have done. So I'm not super mad. Just learning a lesson from today. This week's gonna be good, dude. I'm excited. I'm so excited to get back because I didn't take any trades last week or barely the week before because markets have been just so bad. So I don't think we have much news this week either. So it's gonna be a good one. See you guys tomorrow.